Hey everybody, how we doing? Okay, so let's take a look at the Ethereum trade we took this morning. Oh, sorry, we took yesterday, a couple of days ago rather. That is still moving up nicely. Now, what we wanted, I believe the last stream we done, we had range high, range low, mid range. Now, we didn't use these very much, but they give us a framework to identify where price is and to target it, much like the last week high, last week low, right? So we're just targeting this if we're above this, and if we're below this, we target this. Right, on swing trades, and we're comfortably above this, and we know we've got a trend up, and then we know we had accumulation there. So the long was, obvious trade. So we just kind of looked for a quite aggressive long, which came in the form of there it is. So there was the earlier one here, but difficult to get in. Did I think on the? I took it on the M20. Now I took it on the M20. Now I took the full down move. I partly regret that, but I didn't know if it was going to actually fill. I knew where I was wrong, which was the most important, and I think I took like the whole down move because I thought if it's going to go up, you know, the dips are tiny these days, so if it's going to go up, it might have only just pulled back to there, and then I would look like a genius, I suppose. So I was just, when it pulls back so deep, you're like, wow, I could have got in tighter. Where if I'd have actually taken the high-low setup, I didn't. I took a wider version. Um, so we got the trade, we got the win. I closed at 274, and it's above there now. So add the little dip. Um, Had the little dip. Let's continue moving up. Target ultimately is 360. Now I'm gonna sorry 36. So I'm gonna look for. Obviously this is gonna go higher, right? But in terms of trades, swing trades for the week. Wednesday we're on Tuesday. Oh wow, it could hit that this week easily actually. Okay, so let's come back to. I think I'm going to leave BTC alone, lads. I don't think there's anything there for me at the moment. I'm very bullish on altcoins, which we mentioned last week. Um, this is the previous four daily candles, right? That's really bullish. I mean they're very expansive, but closing at the high. So they're they're creating a higher today, but they're closing near it. Creating a higher day, closing near it. Creating a higher today, it's trading near it. Is it going to close near it? We hope so, right? Now, how am I going to get in here is the magic question. Because I do want back in. I'm happy I closed because that was the trade when I was happy to get out, bank that, clear up the last four losses, however many it was, um, and just get back on the winning team. I'm going to come back to this, okay? Because I'm not sure there's anything there for me. I don't really want to rush back in straight away. Maybe let that develop and look at some other markets. So let's take a look at Bitcoin. See, Bitcoin is it's just doing its own thing, man. It's really hard to get in. We had the trade, we had the winner, and it was down here, wasn't it? But I cut it. I cut, and then Sailor bought. It did come all the way near the stop. Big mistake cutting it. Big mistake. Um, that's why I refused to cut the Ethereum one when it went right close to the stop. So I suppose swings and roundabouts, isn't it? If I hadn't have closed, if I hadn't closed BTC, I might not have opened Ethereum. So we got one. But yeah, the sweep strikes again, isn't it? Sweep and then bang, it's gone. Manta. So there's nothing on Atom for me. Keep looking at it. Daily is nice, but if we come to the H5, so there's Manta. Um, Now that I like, but I would need to for that to confirm itself. We need to see green expansive candles. Yeah, and they're not there yet. When they are there, I'll look to buy that on the daily. So that's an easy one, right? If if the next daily candle is green, I'll buy the top of this. That's a really nice SFP. taking out a few lows. But until it does break high, then no bueno. Atom. Oh, the daily candles. Actually, that's a nice swing fail there. Look, very bullish. Doge. Um, that is good, but it's not moved away yet. So I'm okay that it hasn't moved away. How am I going to get in? Because I want in. How desperately do I want in? Probably going to buy spot. And I'm probably going to go. Is that the trade? I'm thinking this is the trade. Stop loss under here. Because I think if you're wrong there, you're wrong. You're going to get hit there. I'll explain after the stream, Ninja. I did explain it on the previous stream, but I forgot to record. I'll explain. And you can get it. $33. I've actually been trying to get you a discount, but he's not buying, so I don't really want to rip everyone off, you know? Just thought maybe you can get a discount. I like to support people when they create things, but sometimes they offer you a little discount for some marketing, which would have been valuable to him. I would have tweeted out for him, but I'll share it with you after. I think that's going to be my entry because I want in on INJ. Now, I do any, some of you guys have said you own this spot and you like it a lot, don't you? Is there anything I should be aware of, like any positive influences, fundamentals, that could help this market up? I, I mean, I'll give you an example, right, of why I want to hear about positive fundamentals. Not that they matter all that much to me, but it's just broken out of this for the second time. So I want to know if I'm going to enter. You know, if there's something really good happening, this makes a lot of sense now. You had a hard time holding INJ, didn't seem to move. Yeah. Okay. Well, I think HF owns it. Um, I want in, and I think there's some protocols being launched or something's being launched. A lot of these altcoins don't really do anything, do they? I don't know what they're up to. I just wanted to know that if there was a narrative I could hop onto, and I think that's going to be the trade entry stop. That would mean a failure would be back inside, so that would be double deviation, and then you're probably going for them lows almost definitely at that point. So am I going to be too early again? Maybe. I think I'm going to risk it this time. Tried to go in here, didn't I? Was too early. Was it there? It might have been there. I can't remember. I went in too early last time, and I like how he swept this. Now it came back down, took the longs out, and now it's moved up again. So I'm hoping, the next move is going to be the higher low, which is here, and then full throttle, $50. Targets to 50. I just take out the yearly high. Of course, the trend can continue, but I might be able to get it back in then. So that's a trade I'm going to take. I'll post that straight after the stream. Link. Clean pullback to the break out of the range. So this is obviously mega bullish. Is it going to be a slow mover? Maybe. Weekly. Down move. We're above the weekly open. So let's take a look. Let's bring some levels in, shall we? H12. What's the... See, that previous daily candles took out the low. I like that. I think this should hold now. This low should hold. Moving up would be lovely. Oh, nice. Okay. Oh, cool. Well done. And well done on your panda. Pandas are doing well, aren't they? Weekly. 1, 2. What have we got? Tuesday. weekly open. February's down there. Previous weekly high is where? So 1, 2. Let's move this. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Last week's high. Tell you, when I don't stream, I miss it. It's never a chore. Always an absolute pleasure sitting here looking at these charts. I really miss jumping in and making money with the boys. Fucking good times. I'll miss this when it's gone. Just like high school. Wow. Slightly. Okay, so mid-range. Nice. Okay, that's good. It was sticky around this area. Broke it. I suppose sweep today's low. What's going on? Is it Bitcoin? Well, I expected it to dip. I expect everything to dip a little bit early in New York. If I expect us to get the bid, expect there to be a bid. Happy to be wrong, but I think drop into that low. What would I take on this? Is that the trade? That might be the trade there, you know? Just using this daily candle. So you've got sweeps to load, isn't it? Could be a nice positional trade. Let me just have a look what we got. 7. Yeah, okay. So there's the trade. So just using, I like this. It took out the previous day, right? It's took it out there nicely. Bang, moved away higher. Now I'm going to go there. I'll use the whole thing again. Should I use the... Is it going to retest the weekly open? No, I'm gonna take that trade. Okay, swing. So this is on the H7, so can hold it a little bit longer. Now targets, I don't really have one. What is that there? Is that the gap fill on the monthly? That is the gap fill on the monthly, or a gap fill. Yeah, okay, that's a target. That's a very valid target. So if I take this on the H7, target. Okay. Um, okay. Just gonna quickly post that there for you, just so I don't forget that one. What was the other one, gents? INJ, wasn't it? Just gonna quickly post that one as well, just so I don't forget. And then I think we're good to go. I think I'm going to stick with these two trades. I'm going to look at others for you, but I don't know. As you know, I don't like having too many open. Okay, so there's the two. Link. Soul. No, there's nothing there for me. Okay. It's bullish. I think it remains bullish, but in terms of a trade in the immediate term, or sorry, in the short term, as in now, no. This is a big move up. The trade was before that. The trade was somewhere around. I mean, easy with hindsight, but it was there, wasn't it? The low. The market moved up. It was the high that created the low, broke it, bang. Okay, so they're my two trades for the day. We're going to take a look at the altcoins as soon as I close the stream. Thanks for joining. Bye bye.